This thing is huge! Shooting some video. Look at how beautiful that is. You gotta check these videos out. They're not gonna be in the description because I'm gonna have a lot of them, but you should look for them on the channel. Look at how beautiful that looks on the screen. I can't really get it because of the glare, but man, would you look at that. Taking a time lapse right now. It's almost finished up. This looks so sick.
I found a park. You can't really see the entire sign, but it's Washington's largest remaining wetland. So this should be fun to walk through. We're not gonna do the entire trail, but we are here. And there's a bathroom right here and free 3-hour parking. So that is awesome. I'm just gonna go into the trail down to the water to get some FPV drone shots. So the freeway is up there, and now we're just walking down. Look at those beautiful fall colors. Look at that little guy. Okay, I was somewhere over here and I fell asleep just sitting in the car. So I decided to go get a white girl drink, literally the most white girl drink you can get. But I had a free Starbucks thing and I needed some caffeine. I feel so much better now.
Drone is taking a hyperlapse. Look at how beautiful that is.
The sun is setting right now. Just got to this location where we have a bridge over here. It goes super all the way down. So that means it is time to get the drone and go out there. The FPV big boy this time. Oh, also my seat heater is broken. So notice I can turn off my steering wheel from here, right? Oh no, I'm forever hot. The reason why I rented the Tesla was to get free charging. Look at all this parking space. And then boom. We're exploring Microsoft with my tour guide. Pretty cool. All the floors have these different things, but they all have kitchens and lounge areas, but they're all different. And then each floor has these different zones, and then the cool chiming elevators. Found the treehouse. The library. You can see all the 3 speakers up front, and now we have to unscrew all the speakers, and this is my fun part. We got a brother in red right there. So now we're at another Microsoft building. There's a super cool entrance center, and above us is the Starbucks. And it's pretty cool because not only do they have cool lights, they have your order status, so you can see if your order was received, if it's in progress, and if it's ready. Take a look back here too. Look at this guy. Man, that is so cool. And then you got the wings. They had food down that way, and a whole bike store. You have a credit union, ATM here, and a little grocery store. And now you're in China. You have like a whole cafeteria area over here. It's like old style too, with the tiles. Super interesting. Okay, so they have a secret room here. How do you open it? It's right here. This is the door. What? You would never, ever know unless you knew. but now you know. Another game room! Look at that. You got lights, even though some of them are out. Bad on Microsoft. You got holes in the ceiling. The ceiling kind of looks like cheese. And you have this. And pink. Okay, beanbag, I was right. Your refrigerator. Cool. Gone up the treehouse. It's pretty dark right now because it do be night. About to try this local food. I can't customize it? That's fine. The french fries, super good. The burger, much to be desired. Free drinks. The burrito's only $4. Well, it's actually $3.50. That is quite the turn. Okay, it did not do so well on these previous ones right here. It kept going over the line when it made a left. Let's see if it does it for here as well. All right, ready? Ready? And it did it again. No cars coming, so it was fine to test, but I don't know why. It does really good going to turns like this where it's on the right, but when it involves going this way, it just completely gets destroyed. Like, look, we're about to take another right-ish again. It's not as steep, but you'll see that it just completely stays in between the lines. Pull the camera up. See? No problem. Only when going left. Weird. Look at how beautiful it is out here. This is fall in Seattle, and we're about to capture it all on the DJI drone. So, came to this parking lot. It was recommended by my friend. Look at Tesla's right here.
Take off.
Okay, I didn't think I went that off-road, but apparently I did. What the heck did I do? See, mud flaps are important. Mud flaps are very, very important. We're at the Luther Burbank Park, so we're at this parking lot right here. I want to walk down here. Time lapse going. Little doggy went for a swim. Aww. We just finished flying the drone at this beautiful park. Look at the trees. We went off-roading a little bit down there in the sand, but it's all good. You know, I almost wore Vans today, but I was like, hey, I might go off path. And my friend was like, dude, you gotta wear your boots. And I was like, dude, okay. We're now at the Wionoa Park, and I don't know if I have enough time to do any drone stuff because it's currently 2:33 and I need to be back at Hertz at 3:30. Look at how fantastic these colors are. The camera does not do it justice. This is so beautiful. Right next to the Hertz is this. Can I rent one of these, please? The cars, the nice cars, the nice cars, the nice Bentley, nice McLaren, the absolutely beautiful Lamborghini, and then the less beautiful McLaren.
And we're done. So that is the entire trip from Sacramento to Seattle to Bellevue to Portland to Arizona to Texas, from Texas to LAX, or no, not LAX, Las Vegas. That actually confused me the entire trip. Las Vegas, then back to Portland, then back to Seattle, and then back home. That was the entire trip. It would not have been possible at all first without Mr. Ecstatic Model 3. This guy he really carried the entire trip, and such a fantastic friend. Of course, have to shout out Neil, because without him, I would not have the media access I do for Electrify Expo. These two guys really made this trip possible. This video would not exist, and I would not have gotten any of the experiences I did, and I got a whole lot.